Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add store pickup only in Wix. This is a fantastic feature if you're running a local business and want to give customers the option to collect their orders directly from your physical location, saving them on shipping costs while giving you more control over the handoff process. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where all your site management tools are located. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you'll access all the core configurations for your online store and business operations. After clicking on Settings, you'll be taken to a new menu with several categories. Here, you need to locate the Business Solutions section. This area houses all the tools related to running your store, including payment methods, invoicing, and delivery options. Under Business Solutions, you'll see an option called Shipping Delivery and Fulfillment. Go ahead and click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage how your products are delivered or picked up by customers. Once you're inside the Shipping Delivery and Fulfillment section, you'll see a list of all the shipping and delivery methods you've already configured for your Wix account. These methods are typically divided into domestic and international options. Since we're focusing on adding a store pickup method, direct your attention to the domestic section. You'll notice a button that says Add another rate. Click on this button to begin setting up your new pickup option. An Add Rate window will pop up on your screen. From the options presented, click on Pickup. This tells Wix that you're creating a pickup method rather than a standard shipping rate. Now it's time to fill in the details for your store pickup. Start by entering a name for this checkout option. Something simple like Store Pickup or Collect in Store works perfectly. Next, add in the pickup address where customers will come to collect their orders. This should be your physical store or warehouse location. There's also an optional field where you can specify when the order will be ready for pickup, which is helpful for managing customer expectations. Finally, add any pickup instructions you want customers to see, such as where to park or what ID to bring. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click on Add, and that's it. You've successfully set up store pickup only in Wix, giving your customers a convenient and flexible way to collect their orders directly from you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.